Okay, hey everybody, I wanted to give you a quick update here on what the heck I've been doing for the past, I don't know, couple of weeks. So I've been working on my own platform, and I am going to launch this publicly in the future. But right now, I'm just trying to build all the features that I've always wanted, on a platform all in one, so that it makes sense for everybody to actually get sales. And one of the things that I really, really, really wanted was the ability to have like personalization built in to the product listing pages directly. So on here, I'm just going to give you a quick demo of how it works. So I launched this mug like Happy Father's Day, kind of like that one, and then an image of the dog, and then love, and then the dog's name, right? So it just says like Father's Day, custom dog photo. Celebrate your furry friend's special day with this adorable mug featuring a happy black lab and a heartfelt message. Happy Father's Day. Love Pepper, perfect gift for dog lovers. Then you can do either the 11 ounce or the 15 ounce, whichever one you want. And it'll actually change a little bit just because the 15 ounce is a little bit taller than the 11. But this is the cool part here. So when you're on this page, you can type whatever you want. So type whatever you want, and it will put it in here. So I would put like love Sally the Barker or something like that. And then if I want to change the image, I can drag and drop, or I can just choose a file. So I'm just going to choose a file here. I actually had this created with AI too, so it's a cute little puppy. And the cool part is I can drag it around on the screen, and then I can also zoom in. So I can use my mouse wheel, so I can scroll up or down. And I'm on desktop computer, or I can go minus or plus to zoom in or out. And so this is like the buyer experience, right? So buyers can actually move it around, position it, crop it, drag it all around the screen. And then when they're ready, all they do is add to cart. And when you add to cart, it actually still has a preview in there. You'll see in a second. Right on here, the preview is all in there. So we got the customer photo and the who's it from. Now what I'm thinking of is I might actually make this bigger so they can actually see it's a real one. So I'm just going to zoom in the screen like quite a bit so you can see it. But there it is. So it is exactly what we wanted, which is perfect. So actually I will probably make that bigger, like much bigger. Because right now it's hard to see. And I can just think like on a phone, you can't really see that at all. Like it's way too small. So I'm going to make that like large, probably above all of the details. So anyway, it's just on a phone. But right now the key is it works and it's pretty awesome. So now I can also show you like how it actually works in the launcher, but the launcher is not 100% done yet, but it is very simple to launch. Well, maybe I could find one in another video and I'll actually demo how the launcher works. So if we're like a creator on Giftzorly, when they want to launch a product, it's super easy to do. Like I've basically taken everything I've seen, everything I've used, everything I've experienced, and I've made it as simple as possible for anyone to be able to launch personalized products and sell them online. So our whole motto right now is like, you create, we do the rest. And this is a huge part of it. So getting the text personalization took quite a while, and then getting the image uploads to work was actually pretty easy because we had all the modules in place. But anyway, let me know what you think. That works. More products are coming too, and it's not even public yet, but more products are coming. Right now there's a black mug, a white mug, and a t-shirt that are available. And all of them have the ability to be personalized with text and with photos. So it's just basically building my dream platform. So just thought I'd shoot a quick video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any suggestions. Let me know if there's any features you've always wanted on like Etsy or on like Shopify or Amazon or wherever you sell. Let me know in the comments. And you never know. I could probably code it up and add it. All right, everybody have a great day. We'll talk to you later.